Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss the header area of the model view for the Work module. The header area contains the Selection tool settings and the iModel selector. Single selection allows the selection of individual elements. Select by crossing line is a multi-selection method that all the objects crossed by the line drawn on the screen will be selected. Select by box corners is a multi-selection method that all the elements within the square drawn will be selected. Replace current selection will replace the selected elements with the newly selected ones. Add to selection and remove from selection will add or remove newly selected elements to or from existing ones. Note that the tool settings will adapt to the tool selected in the iModel window. To the right-hand side of the header area, click on the drop-down arrow, and you can choose and access other iModels available in this control project. That sums up the header area of the model view. In the next video, we will discuss the footer area. I'll see you there.